There may be times when you have a video, a PDF, a SCORM package, or some other file type that you want to use in multiple courses. Most clients will create a copy of that file and add it to the new course. However, over time, this can really increase the size of your Moodle site. It also makes updates difficult because if the content changes, you have to remember to replace the old file with the new one in multiple locations. A better method is adding the content file to a repository and then adding a shortcut or an alias to the file in every course where that content is required. Then, if you need to update the file in the future, you only have to update it in the repository, and every course that has a shortcut to that file will automatically have the updated content. So here's how to do it. Step 1. In your file tree, open the Moodle data folder and add a file called repository. You can add as many subfolders as you require to differentiate your content. Subfolders could be organized for their content type, such as a video folder, an audio folder, a PDF folder, or they could be organized by any other method that makes sense to you. Step 2 is add your content to the appropriate folder. If you have instructors who do not have access to your server but need to upload content to a specific folder in the repository, you can have your server manager set up FTP access for them to just that folder. On the front end, go to Site Administration, Plugins, Repositories, Manage Repositories. Make sure that File System is enabled and visible. Then go to Settings and select the first box and click Save. Now, click Create a Repository Instance. Give it a name and select Allow Relative Files. Then click Save. Now, navigate to a course and select an activity such as a SCORM activity. Select the file picker and you will see your repositories available on the left side with all the files that you just uploaded. Select the files that you would like to appear in the course. Choose Create an alias or shortcut to the file. You do not want to create another copy of the file. This is what we're trying to avoid. Click Select this file. Notice that you now have a blue arrow in the lower left corner. This is the visual indicator of a shortcut. If you do not see this blue arrow, it means you accidentally created a new copy of this file from the file in the repository. When your settings have been changed, click Save. Now, if you already have multiple copies of the same file scattered throughout your Moodle site, you can change these to shortcuts without losing any of your completion data. Just be sure to first upload a copy of the file to the repository. Then, you're going to navigate to the instance which contains the file that you want to replace. Do not create a new instance. Use the existing instance which users have already completed. Delete the file, and then add the shortcut. Your user's completion data will remain intact, but now the users will be launching the same training, but just using the shortcut. Don't forget to save at the bottom of the page. Finally, if you want to update your video, audio file, or other document in the repository, you're going to navigate back to the repository folder and you're going to upload the new file version with the exact same name. You will be prompted to override or rename the file. Choose Override and this new file will replace the original file. This will maintain the aliases or shortcuts in each of your courses, ensuring that the users will be able to access the latest version of the material. I hope this has been useful for you. Please click like and subscribe for more Moodle content from Flagship LMS.